What's up? I'm gonna make a cafe style hot chocolate. So first things first, you need the chocolate or the cocoa. I measure out about 2, maybe 2.5 tablespoons of the cocoa. And let's see, spoon to mix it all. Use my medium mug and medium froth and pitcher, and the mug that I always make cafe style hot chocolates with. I also need to heat up some water. So the water's heating up. While that's heating up, go ahead and measure out the cocoa. One. That's like 2 1/4, and we'll call this 2 1/2. And basically what I'm doing here, I'm making like a super concentrated like chocolate syrup, but out of the powder in the hot water, and then I'm pouring milk over it like it's a latte. Next is milk. I'm out of my first jug of milk because I was trying to troubleshoot some latte art issues earlier, so I used a lot of milk today. But it's all good. It's all part of the experience. Some days you just nail all the rosettas or hearts you want. Some days you can't even froth the milk perfectly. That should be a good amount, just like right below the spout where it begins. Water's almost done. Water is done. So you might think the way I mix this up is funny. It's only to incorporate it as best as I can. So I'm going to spin the cup around a lot, just to make sure I hit all the spots. Because it is powder, and it's not syrup, so it can be kind of hard to mix fully, especially in a mug that's this narrow. So I'm just spinning it around to make sure the spoon like hits all the corners, that there's no like, just to like minimize the clumps basically. While that's going, go ahead and heat up the steam on. Feels pretty good, but I'm just gonna keep mixing it up. You can never mix this too much. I could also use like a miniature whisk. I have a miniature metal whisk I could use, but it makes too many like bubbles, and it doesn't look good when you're trying to do latte art. Gonna froth this like any other latte. Maybe a bit more on the foamy side though. All right, already it looks pretty perfect. Now we're just gonna heat it up basically. It's getting warm. My hands are a bit cold, so it could be hotter than I think it is. Yeah, that's good. That looks perfect. Let's mix it up a bit more. And I'm just gonna be quiet and concentrate and try to get some good latte art here. Not bad. Could touch that up a bit. Okay. Cool. Decent. Half decent. Hopefully that's in frame. You know what? Let me just do the close-up. Now I got a bit right here on the end. Just clean that up. And there you have it. Cafe-style hot chocolate. Yeah, one of my favorite drinks. Especially in this mug. I only make it in this mug. Anyway, that's the drink. Thanks for watching.